How to cancel ULTA order. First things first, head to the ULTA website and log into your account. Once you're in, go to your order history. You'll find it in the account settings. In your order history, locate the order you want to cancel. Once you've found it, click to view the order details. Now, if your order hasn't shipped yet, you should see a Cancel Order button. Just click it and your order will be cancelled. But what if you don't see the cancel option? Don't worry if the button isn't there, your order might be getting ready to ship. But there's still one more thing you can try. Contact ULTA's customer service, explain your situation, and if your order hasn't shipped, they'll help you cancel it. And that's it. Once you cancel, ULTA will send you a confirmation email, so be sure to save it just in case. I hope you found this quick guide helpful. Thanks for watching.